Meet the MSI Cyborg A15, portable gaming power with a bold translucent chassis. Today we break down the MSI Cyborg A15 AI B2HWEKG071US, a 15.6-inch gaming notebook with a 1080p 144Hz display, Ryzen 7 processor, 16GB of RAM, 512GB SSD, and an RTX 5050 GPU. The 15.6-inch 1080p panel delivers vibrant colors, sharp detail, and wide viewing angles, plus a 144Hz refresh rate for smooth gameplay. With 16GB of RAM, you can multitask, confidently keep games, browsers, and streaming apps in memory for seamless switching. RTX 5050 with 8GB via RAM provides solid frame rates at 1080p and accelerates creative tasks and media workloads. 512GB SSD enables fast boot times and quick game loading, though you may want extra storage for large libraries. The Ryzen 7 CPU handles gaming and productivity with strong multi-threaded performance, while thermals and battery life will vary by load. Bottom line, a well-rounded mobile gaming rig with notable strengths and realistic trade-offs like heat and battery life.